Alright, you guys, so we are at the meat market today. It's Sunday, so
Yeah, BK Miller's.
me and Dad right now.
We're gonna get some meat.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna start with these ribs, St. Louis style ribs. It's a nice deal. It's looks like 2 slabs in there for $21. Can't beat that in the Joe Biden's economy.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so
we also got some drink because our anniversary is tomorrow.
Yeah.
And our wedding anniversary. And this is what we're gonna celebrate with.
So this is the whole wings.
Whole wings.
Some drumsticks and some party wings. That's really what we need, some party wings right there. But that's how they come. Yeah. I mean, is that a good deal? Oh, okay. Bacon. Hope we don't get copyright because of the music, y'all. But some ground beef. Everything looks pretty fresh. How much is this ground beef right here? $37 for 7 pounds. 7 pounds, it looks like. Sirloin. So this is my first time in here. Well, Daddy and his mother comes in here. Well, they came in here a couple times.
Then you also got over here party wings, whole box, whole wings. Got all kinds of stuff. Full legs. It's a video. We showing the people what all the good stuff y'all got. Yeah, so you know, you come down here, man, you get everything you need. You get it by the case too. All of this. Yeah, if you're doing like a catering event or you're doing like a barbecue or a cookout, you gotta feed like the whole family, y'all come down here, right? Get it all. I got them good old lollipop lamb chops. Good old bag of these. I got a bag of these for Mom last time I was here. They were so good. So don't mess out on your lollipop lamb chops. Here too. So you got your breakfast sausages. Got them good old classic. I grew up on those right there. I remember seeing those in my grandmother's house as I was young. Got all your nice good pork products. All that. Halloween. What's that? Got pig feet. I ain't doing no pig feet. Got chitlins. I ain't doing no chitlins neither. What's that? That's the whole like pork belly? Is that slab of pork belly? What it say right there on the tag?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's pork belly. I knew what that looked like right there. Got a whole half a slab of pork belly. Got it by the slab. Got your pig feet, your trotters. What's this up here? Pig ears. Yes, got the pig ears, you know. Good for stews, stuff like that. Your trotters, you got stews, and it's good meat on there too. And all that. The sausages, all of that. Over here, you got some dairy products, cheese. Got the oysters. Can't go wrong with those. All that. I think so. Butter. Yeah, it's $11.99 for oysters. Butter, and as y'all can see, the prices is better than some of your local grocery stores. Better than Giants, Safeway, Whole Foods, Aldi's. All that. And it's local right here in the DMV. Oh, where's that bag of nuggets? Oh yeah, there they go, right there. Yeah, I found them. $17, $10 a pound. Or a 10-pound box, you get for $30. The kids do good with the bags. Let me see. Which ones we going with this time? The little nuggets or like the tenders? Should we go with like the tenders? I think the kids will do better with like the little tenders. Alright, we're gonna go with these, the tenders. Bam! Nice big bag of these. Got the crab meat.
Yeah, I was looking at that crab meat right there.
Yeah. That's not bad. Got the bags of shrimp. $13 crab meat. Pound. Lump. You wanna get some? Okay. Bam, there you go.
Looking at that in the shirt. That's that seafood.
You didn't like it? Oh, okay. Mom said she didn't like that. So we're not gonna get that again. As y'all can see, it's got good type of stuff. Whole hams. Put it on it. Things of that nature. Got your veggies, onion rings, frozen veggies. Got the good old okra for okra and tomatoes. Mixed vegetables, lima beans, even bags. French fries, whole bags of French fries. How much are French fries? Oh wait, probably up here. And they got, you know, the prices and stuff, the rundown of what's in it. That's what's up. Over here you got your hams. Wow, that thing look good. It's a lot of smoked products in this area right here. All of that. Look at that big old ham right there. Old fashioned ham. Man. Ooh, some good old fat back. That'll make your greens real nice right there. Got some jaws. Yeah, that's some good eating right there. Oh yeah. Smoked turkey, turkey tails, smoked ham, all that. More seafood. Oh yeah. Pooh. Oh yeah, she did say salmon, right? Yeah, so get a piece of that salmon. Yeah, there you go. Take one out of the first box. Bam.
Yeah, these like the ones I get from the store.
Yep. How much are they? $8.99.
Okay, so that's what the same price.
Yep. Oh, we also got some catfish nuggets. Love the catfish nuggets. What else? No, we don't want no tilapia. We don't want no tilapia. No, we don't want no tilapia. What else? What else they got? Excuse me, dog. Let me get ahead real quick. What they got? What we got here? Oh yeah, got some more salmon fillets. This like the whole slab. This look like wild caught. Got some flounder. Oh yeah, that's good. $13 for some flounder though. I think I'm gonna have to rock with the flounder though. And they individually bagged, so you can just take out a piece of flounder. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rock with the flounder. Ooh, wait, what's that? Crab legs at the bottom? Ooh, got the crab legs. Yeah, that 140. That's something I can't fade that 140. Nah, we're not gonna do 140. That's just whole wild caught salmon. Whole slab. Oh. Value pack of whiting. And also we got the oxtails over here. I may get a bag of these if they look good though. But they don't be I remember last time I was in here and I was looking at the bags. They seem to be suffering from a lot of large, chunky pieces. And if y'all know me, Dad, I don't really like the large, chunky meat like that. But, you know, it's still good. But I go to the little Asian market and get the oxtails because they have a smaller cut. I don't like the large, chunky meat though. But there you go. You got some beef rib, some beef ribs. What is this? Some beef bones. Got the beef bones. Got the curry goat meat.
I think I'm about to get some of this. It's $9.99. Almost $16.
Yeah, that ain't expensive. That's probably $9.99 a pound. What's down there? Spare beef ribs. That's what that is? Yeah, beef ribs. Yeah, I know. That's a little expensive right now. So, it look good though. Okay, right here we got the crab legs. Got a 5-pound box, large, for $50. That's not bad, right? I think I'm about to grab a box of these, cuz. For $50. For 50? Yeah, we're gonna little 5-pound box for 50? Yeah, we doing that. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Bam. All right, y'all, I think we done. I think we broke. I think we broke now, y'all.
Why did you have to go over there by that bar?
I know, right? So, me and Mama got what we really needed, right?
And more.
And more. But hey, you know, we're gonna go broke. Got some seasonings. Yeah, like if you was doing like a crab boil and stuff like this, it's all the good stuff you need right here. All of these good seasonings right here. Your cookout gonna be delicious. You got any of these seasonings, your cookout gonna be delicious. Y'all see that? So we're gonna see y'all on the next one. Oh yeah, got the fresh fry. Like I said, they got a large drink selection. And this is BK Miller's, ladies and gentlemen. Over here you got your wieners, sausages, meatballs, steaks, taquitos, I think more chitlins. Where's this? Beef sausages, more sausage, hot dogs, stuff like that. And you got your pans, more sauces, drink mix, drink buckets, all the little carry out trays for your cookouts and stuff. All of that. They got everything you need down here. And this is BK Miller's once again. What part of this?
Clinton.
This is Clinton?
Yeah.
Yeah, Clinton, Maryland, ladies and gentlemen, if I'm not mistaken. And if I am mistaken, Mom will figure it out later and put it in the video. But they got everything you need for the fantastic cookout that you're gonna have. All your drinks, all your bulk meats, all your seasonings, everything.
But I don't like too much attention.
All right, so Mama, we done made it out of there, and this was BK Miller's Supermarket down here in Clinton.
See, that's what happened on a Sunday, y'all. You get out the house finally, it's nice outside, and then you want to spend money. But,
Exactly. So we
okay.
got one little box full of goodness.
Yes, but it was a nice little, it's like a nice mom and pop store, y'all. So if you have those in your area, go support them because they did have some good deals. And it's different prices. So it's some on the low range, some on the high range. So your budget is your budget.
Let's show them the little, what is this, the freezer special?
Yeah, and that's good. Like if you're having a cookout, that would be the perfect, depending on how many people you have.
Yeah, depending on how many people you have, this is what you can get for like a freezer special. And she said it's pretty much like this every time, all the time.
But this thing
for $149.
That's gonna invite the whole damn neighborhood.
Exactly. Like you gonna have a good cookout if this is on the list. Y'all see that? And you can get that for $150.
Shoot, not even a cookout. If you got a large family, you can come here once a month for
exactly.
your grocery fill up. Honestly, that's really what it needs to do.
Start coming down here and getting some once a month stuff.
Yeah, I once a month. They got all the mix in there. You just gotta get the sides from the store.
Yep. So that's where we at today. It's a nice Sunday. Y'all see the sun is shining. Y'all see that? Y'all see that white hot sun? Hey, tell me in the comments below, for those of us that are millennials and we 40 and over, most of us, tell me how y'all remember the sun looking. Y'all remember the sun looking like that? All white hot? Or do you remember it being like yellowish? Because I remember it being yellowish, right? I don't ever remember it being so white hot like that and shining so super bright. Like it used to have a yellowish tint to it. And I'm not talking about just in the evening when the sun is, you know, getting ready to set and stuff. I'm talking about like throughout the day. So that's where we at. We'll catch y'all on the next one. This was a nice haul. Dad approved. And we out.
Yeah, get me out this sun. It's too hot.